Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, meron tayong math problem coming from algebra mga lodi guys. So this is a random math challenge. Pero before natin to sagutan, shoutout muna kay future engineer Nard Guevara, kay future engineer Nicole Antiaño, and kay Miss Patch Bacani. And thank you so much sa mga lodi gigs natin na patuloy na sumusuporta sa channel natin. And kung nasan man kayo mga lodi, ingat po kayo palagi. And God bless you always. So yung problem natin is if sin x plus sine squared x plus sine cube x plus dot, so that is up until infinity, is equal to 4, find all the possible values of cosine x plus cosine squared x plus cosine cube x plus dot, up until infinity. So kung mapapansin natin na, infinite infinite sum. But notice na yung sine magiging sine squared, sine cube. So that is a geometric sequence. Kaya lang, it should be geometric series, kaya lang infinite po siya. So paano ba natin kinukuha mga lodi cakes yung common ratio niyan? So the common ratio, i-divide mo lang naman yan, sin squared x by sin x, kasi namumultiply na siya ng sin x. So ibig sabihin yung common ratio natin will be equal to sin x. So let us have some refresher. So recall that the sum of an infinite geometric series is equal to the first term over 1 minus r. So we just need to have some recap of the formula that we will be using for this type of problems. So ito yung sum ng infinite mga lodi guys. The first term over 1 minus r. So ang first term natin dito will be equal to sine of x. So for the solution part, mga idolo. So for the solution, so we have sine of x all over 1 based from this formula. 1 minus sine of x will be equal to positive 4. So basically, this is a very easy problem lang, especially dun sa mga aspiring math wizards natin. So we have sine of x equals, multiply lang natin. So 4 minus 4 sine of x. And then, lipat sa kabila, adds 4 sine x to both sides. We'll be having 5 sine of x is equal to 4. And we can conclude from that na yung sine x natin will be equal to 4 over 5. Tapos, ang tinatanong, we are asked to find all the possible values of cosine x plus cosine squared x plus cosine cube x plus dot up until infinity. So, applying the similar formula for the sum of an infinite geometric series, so the sum of this will be equal to cosine x. So we're just looking for the value of cosine x all over 1 minus cosine x. So kailangan hanapin natin yung value ng cosine x based from this. So kung alam natin yung special right triangles or yung tawag natin yung mga Pythagorean triples natin, di ba 4, 5 siya? Yung 5 natin will be our hypotenuse kasi SOHCAHTOA. So alam naman natin, we all know that sine is equal to opposite over the hypotenuse. So pwede tayo mag-drawing ng right triangle. And let's say this is our angle x. So, ang opposite natin is 4. Ang hypotenuse natin ay 5. And this is a right triangle. As we all know, this is equal to 3 kasi 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triple. Or if you can solve it using this Pythagorean theorem, okay lang naman din. Pero kung alam natin yung Pythagorean triple na to, much better kasi it will be easy for us to identify yung missing part ng right triangle natin. So, from that case, what will be the value of cosine x? Cosine x is equal to adjacent over the hypotenuse. So that is equal to 3 over 5. So the possible value of cosine x is equal to 3 over 5. However, since we are looking for all the possible values of x, so x can be located in the second quadrant. Kasi alam naman natin na kapag second quadrant yung angle natin, yung sine niya is positive. However, yung cosine ng angle kapag located sa second quadrant ay negative. So, ibig sabihin pala nun, Sir IJ, so it means that the cosine of x can be equal to 3 over 5 or the negative, which is negative 3 over 5. Kasi pwedeng nasa second quadrant siya, so yung cosine ng angle x kapag nasa second quadrant is negative. So, pwede siyang 3 over 5 or negative 3 over 5. That's why, for this problem, we have two possible values, which is dalawa yung magiging final answer natin. So, substitute natin yung 3 over 5 dun sa una. 3 over 5 all over 1 minus 3 over 5. Alam natin that 1 minus 3 over 5, that's 2 over 5. 3 over 5 divided by 2 over 5, it will be cancelled. So, that is equal to 3 over 2. And last but not the least, we are solving for the negative 3 over 5 value. 1 minus negative 3 over 5. And this will become 1 plus 3 over 5, that's 8 over 5. Cancel ng 5. Negative 3 over 8. So, our final answer for the given problem is 3 over 2 or negative 3 over 8. So, yun yung mga possible values natin, mga lodi cakes. So, if ever you have questions or some clarifications, feel free to comment. on the comment section. And maraming salamat sa mga Lodi Cakes natin na patuloy na sumusuporta sa channel natin. Congratulations din po pala sa lahat ng mga bagong electronics engineer na nakapasa this recent board exam. And dun sa mga hindi naman pinagpala mga Lodi Cakes, there's a perfect time, basta try and try. Only bawi tayo mga Lodi Cakes. All is well. Kumbaga, there's a perfect timing for everything. And galingan nyo palagi mga Lodi Cakes. And may magandang plano si Lord sa inyo. Thank you so much mga Lodi Cakes. Kita-kits sa mga susunod na tutorial videos. Bye-bye and God bless.